So this is the Natasha Denona's Diamond and Blush palette. I have been eyeing this palette for a long time. It was very expensive. A very warm welcome to my channel. As you guys know, my mantra is medicine heals with lifestyle changes. And a very important part of our lives is when you look yourself in the mirror and you want to see the best version of yourself. In order to do that, whatever makes you happy, please go for it. If other people are judging you, it's okay. Just kind of be creative, do whatever you want to do. And I think today's tutorial is going to be showing you how to kind of relax with whatever you can do inside the house, or if you're not going out, you can still do a lot of things. So this is the Natasha Denona's Diamond and Blush palette. I have been eyeing this palette for a long time. It was very expensive and I could not justify buying a palette for $90, and I was waiting to see if it ever goes down on the price. And this time at Sephora, during the Rouge, the price did come down. So the palette was $47 and then I got 20% off because I'm a Viv Rouge member from Sephora, and I got hold of this coveted Natasha Denona's Diamond and Blush palette. I was very happy with the price because I think that's a bargain deal for the products that are in here. I have used it for a couple of times only, but I have not played with it a lot. Look at the luxury size and this. So it has 3 eyeshadow like cream shadow products and then 3 powder products. This is for blush and for highlighting. So first of all, I just wanted to make sure I tell you about the mirror. I love this mirror because this is an amazing mirror, and they also have a divider, so you do not have the cream products going into the powder products. I think that's a very intelligent thing to do. Now this one, which is called the Glow, then this is the cream blush. So I'm going to go with this first to create a glow all over my shoulder, all over my any areas of my body which is kind of has bones in it. So I'm going to take this brush. This is a brush from Tarte, and I'm just giving this a glow. After this, I'm going to go with this one. Now this one, if you look in the here, look how it looks like kind of yellowish, right? But see the magic, what is going to happen. I'm going to take this brush, which is a highlighter brush, and this is a cream product as well. And then I'm going to use this over the top of the faces where I want that yellowish kind of a ethereal glow, it's called. I would call it an ethereal glow. This is literally an ethereal glow if you want to glow. This is boom. Now if you don't want to do anything else, this is fine, this is perfect. However, if you want to take your look up a notch a little bit, then let's play with the powders a little bit. So I am going to use a blush brush. Now this blush, the cream blush that it has, just take little dabs of it, don't put a lot, and just try to kind of build up, smile, and put it right onto the cheeks, onto the top of the cheeks. You could take it a little bit higher up if you want. Now remember, there is yellow, this glow, you don't want to cover up this glow either. So you have to go like right there. And then followed by this cream blush, you can use this powder blush, which is a little bit of a shine mostly, and create this. Now for these two products, this product and this product, these are, although they are powders, I still feel that the effect of the powders are quite a bit. So I'm going to use this powder first. This is more of a smoke type kind of a blush, and I'm going to use it. This is the diamond one, and it gives a beautiful sheen and lifted look. And then finally this one, which is the glow one, which is the powder, another powder which is similar to this. This probably will be great here in the middle of the chest, around the shoulder, the clavicle, and just kind of dab it all over to give you an ethereal glow, and you are done.